Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry about the lighting, it's not that good, but I am back with another plus size haul from Boohoo. I have some things from Fashion Nova, and I think those are the only two. For my first outfit, I have these shorts, which is called the plus ruffle front short Spice 22. I got these in a size 18. As you can see, I really love the color. The color is like a orange type color, and then I kind of got like this what do you call this, like a bralette, and I got this from, I want to say Tort or either Fashion to Figure, and this is called the Jade like bodysuit. And again, I love these shorts. They come pretty much like at a before the knee length, not too short. They're a nice size, and I paired them with these shoes, which has like a hint, something like a gold, a hint of gold and a hint of orange, which is the color of my pants. I'm not sure if the video is showing the correct color, but again, these have ruffles, and I like that it has a button on this, not a button, but a zipper on the side. And this is really light, so nice and cool for the summertime. And I would suggest I would wear something over my shoulders with this, maybe like a jean or either like kind of like a leather jacket, but it all depends on like the weather and what type of style it is. But I really like this. This is really nice, and I like it with these shoes. You know, normally I don't wear pointed toe shoes because I have such fat feet, but I got these shoes from ASOS, and ASOS have wide width shoes, and I really like the way that it fit. So let me show you guys this from the side. My stand still have not came, and then this is it from the back. I really like this. This is nice. And again, like you would dress this up. You could go do date night, girls night out, or if you just want to be cute, you know, you can wear this. But I really love it because the ruffles come up the top, and they also stop about right here, and then all around, even in the back, it has the ruffles. It has the ruffles in the back. And it's a good amount of room. I'm thinking maybe I could have gotten like a 16, but I think I should be good with this. And it's easy to basically sit down. It's not hard. It doesn't get tight or anything like that. So this is the first outfit that I really love. I'm really loving this. Yes, I'm trying to get into some shorts, and this looks good. So we're gonna go to my next outfit. I'm not gonna spend too much time on this. Okay, so this dress that I have on is called the Plus Chain Mix Print Wrap Midi dress. And this is a really nice dress. I can actually wear this dress to work. I paired it with these clear heels. I don't know if you guys can see, but I did. I paired it with these clear heels. And this dress, I actually have like a burgundy shoe that I would wear with it, but I left those shoes at work. And I really like it. You know, it crosses over. It kind of accentuates the waist. Basically looks a little bit more taken in for your waist, and it does show cleavage. I like to show a little cleavage, but when I go to work, I will put like a black top on underneath this. But yeah, it wraps around. I love the way this dress fits. I was so skeptical about this dress at first. I kept looking at it, then I was like, you know what, girl, go on and get this dress. And I like the way that it fits from the back. So you see the back of this dress. Yes, it's so cute. And also this is a thin material too, so you can kind of wear it in the summertime, especially if you know you're going to be somewhere where there's AC. The sleeves are it has like an elastic to it, so you can roll the sleeves up. I'm not sure how it look, but we can try it. Yeah, so you can roll the sleeves up, you know, if you get too hot. And you know, also I would suggest, well, you know what, you're still good, because when you open it, it wraps over a little bit. So this is a nice dress. I really like the colors, the print in it. There's different types of print in it that I love. Real nice dress. You can wear it to work, you can wear it out, and again, if you're wearing it to work, make sure you wear something on top of it. As a matter of fact, you can, or you could just pin it. Just make sure you pin it from the inside. But this is a nice dress, and again, these are the clear heels that I have with it, but I would rather pair it with the burgundy heels that I have. Yes, nice. Put a little necklace on, some jewelry, tie it as tight as you want. It's a light material again, as I said before. Real nice. Yes, this is so nice. Okay, so let's go to the next item. Okay, so this next dress that I have is called the Plus Wiggle Midi dress, and it's the color blush. This dress, I love this dress. I love the way that it fits. I would recommend wearing shapewear for those who have that little gut down there. I just didn't put shapewear on because it's kind of hot in here, but I like the split in the front. You can wear this to work, or you can kind of dress it up if you like. It's comes past the knee, and it kind of hug around your body a little, and I like the fact that the sleeves are a little loose and not too tight, so you're able to move around comfortably. This is also like a thin material, so it's not too hot, and you know, summertime is coming up, so you definitely can rock this in the summertime. And this is what the back look like. As you can see, I have on black underwear, and it is still kind of like see-through, so I would suggest maybe you wear a slip, or if you do wear the shapewear, because the shapewear comes down a little bit longer, it may not show as much. But yeah, this is nice. Or maybe a pair of thongs. You know, you know, your thongs, you just show your butt, but then maybe, you know, they'll know you have no drawers on. But yeah, this is a really nice dress. I love it. I love the way it fits, the way it hugs around my body. It's not too tight, it's not restricted at all. And I have a pair of blush heels that I could wear with this. I think that's why I actually got this dress. This is from Boohoo. The other dress was from Boohoo as well, and the clear shoes that I had on was from ASOS. ASOS, okay, I'm feeling ASOS for checking them out. I'm feeling them, I really am. And I'm feeling this dress. Ha, yeah, look good. I love this dress. But I don't know if I showed you guys the back all the way, but here's the back. Yeah, hey. Okay, so guys, let's go to the next outfit. Okay guys, here's my other dress, and I got this from Fashion Nova. This is a sweater dress, so okay, this is a sweater dress, so it's kind of thick, you know. If you're not gonna be outside too long, or if you're at work and you're gonna be somewhere where the AC is pumping, I would suggest wearing this dress. And it's fine to even wear in the summertime because the sleeves are so short, but just know that this is kind of like a thick material, okay? And I love it because the color is yellow, oh, actually mustard. And you know, yellow and mustard is my favorite color because, again, you know, this just matches my skin tone. I like the fact that it's long. Of course, you would wear shapewear with this. And you compare this with either the clear heels that I had on, the clear heels, a sandal, or some pumps. But I actually have some mustard pumps that matches this dress. It might be too bright for some, but hey, I don't care. I think it looks good. And you know, with me getting into colors, I'm excited about that. As you can see, this is kind of like, I don't know if you guys can see, but it seems to me this is kind of no, not really see-through. I would suggest wearing black drawers, maybe because I'm looking from this side. But yeah, this is nice. I even like it because it's up in a bun. You know, my hair is up in a bun, and the bun looks great with this dress, because when you wear your hair down, you don't want it to take away from the dress. But yes, this is so cute. It's cute. I love it. It's nice. I don't know if I showed you guys the back, but this is the back of the dress. Cheeks all day, cheeks. Okay, so we're gonna go to the next item. Okay guys, this is my next outfit. You know what, actually I am so upset because I couldn't find the string to go to this shirt. This is actually a cross around shirt, but I couldn't find it. But I did find another way to wear this. You can actually tie it, make yourself like a crop top. Oh yes. And then this is a dramatic sleeve, which is even better. Wear this in the night, because you know during the day it's super hot, although this material is thin. But when you wear it at night and you're going out, you're going to sit down at a restaurant, or you just maybe even going to a lounge or sitting at the bar, you're going to have a few drinks with some nice jeans. You can pair it with some shorts, like booty shorts. I'm not going to wear booty shorts. I just can't. But some nice booty shorts, or just some shorts, period. And it'll be nice. But I tied this sucker up. I improvised because I could not find the belt. And I actually like it better tied up. Oh my God, look at the sleeves, y'all. Yes. I love it. Let's look at the back. Let's take a look at the back. Ew. And these jeans I got a long time. My camera cut off. But I got these jeans from Fashion Nova a long time ago. I don't know if I told y'all what this top was called, but this top is called the Printed Extreme Sleeve Wrap Top. Yeah, that's what this is called. Yes. Oh, this is so cute. But yeah, definitely. And then you can wear it down if you like, and put a belt around it. This type shirt you can wear to work. I would suggest not wearing a regular bra. If you do wear a regular bra with this, I would say put a pin on it, but make sure the pin goes inside. And then also, if you don't want to wear a pin, there are those bras that do not connect in the middle. So as you see, this bra connects in the middle, but you could get the, you know, the bras that just kind of lifts your breasts up, and you don't have to worry about a bra at all. But this is cute. And again, this shirt, this top is not even made to be worn like this, but I love it. I can't find a belt. Where's my belt to this shirt? I want to be versatile with this shirt. I want to be able to wear it with the belt, and I want to be able to wear it without. But yes, I love it. And so this is the last item of my haul. I did want to touch bases with you guys on what's going on with George Floyd. I think sorry guys, my camera cut off, but I did want to say something about the whole George Floyd situation that's happening. I think every black person has experienced racism, even me, my own self, and we've been pretty quiet because we always think that upper management will not fight for us because people are, you know, they're good with the company. They've been with the company for a long time. They're not black, they're white. And so what I want to do is uplift my brothers and sisters, you know, staying strong, staying firm, protest, yes, do what you have to do, because racism is wrong. We all need to love each other. Color, we're not worried about color or anything like that. I don't know if you guys know what that does to a person mentally, but that man losing his life, you know, he has a family. He left his family behind, all because of a senseless murder over a bad check. Really? You know, I just want us black beautiful people to just hold your head up, press on. And you know what? I'm praying for us. I'm praying for us deeply, because I love us deeply. I support us deeply, you know. And just make sure y'all keep those black owned businesses intact. Y'all gonna protest, do what you want to do, but make sure that we still have a business to come back to. And again, all of you guys are in my prayer, even with this whole COVID-19. COVID-19 is killing us black people as well. But anyway, that's, you know, I'm not gonna ramble. But I love y'all. Thank y'all for looking at this haul. If you guys want to see anything else, just let me know. And subscribe. You know, I'm just doing this for fun. Yeah, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Be blessed. I'm always praying for you guys. Mwah.